Easter decor doesn't have to be bright and plastic. I want to use these simple wooden egg cutouts from the Dollar Tree to make neutral Nordic-inspired Easter decor. I want to play with texture, metal accents, and a muted palette to create a soft, serene vibe. The base of the project is the wooden egg. I'll be adding texture with paint and stencils. The showpiece will be metalwork using hangers. The finishing touches are florals and ribbon. Those are the supplies. Let's get started. My first step is stenciling with soft colors. I'll be layering 2 colors with 2 different stencils. I've loosely taped down the template just to keep it from sliding around. I don't mind some movement. I want the stenciling to look worn and vintage. I'm applying the paint lightly, dabbing off most of it before touching the egg. For my first layer, I've used a sponge. When I changed color, I used a brush. The outcome is pretty much the same, and I think I prefer using the brush. The paint's dry. Time to add metal. Now metal feels cold and hard, which balances the warmth of the wood. This just adds layer of interest to my egg. I picked the thinnest metal hangers I have to make them easier to bend. It's still not super easy, but with some pliers and a really simple design, it's not that bad. I'm using the metal to be the stem of a flower. My metalwork is done. It did take a bit of muscle, which I don't have a lot of, but I did manage to get it done and I like how it looks. I'll be attaching it all with just some hot glue. And then it's onto final touches where I'll add florals and ribbon, and this adds like a layer of softness to my egg. So it's like an onion, just lots of layers, warm, cold, soft, hard. And I hope it looks pretty. I played around with different ribbon, making bows, just tying knots, wrapping the ribbon. I added flowers and leaves and even a bit more pieces of hanger. This was a great project to use up odds and ends from my craft stash. I kept adding and subtracting different pieces until I was happy with the result. There's definitely not a right or wrong way about this. Keep gluing until your crafty little heart is happy. These were fun to make, and they feel intentional and organic, and definitely my vibe. If you're tired of the bright colors and want a more peaceful look for your home this spring, give this a try. Let me know in the comments, do you prefer the bright and bold or the neutral and natural? Don't forget to like and subscribe for more DIYs. Happy crafting!